1B we have seen, angular bisectors we have finished. Now today is very important. Ax square plus 2hx5 plus by square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c is equal to 0 will be pair of lines if delta abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0 and h square is greater than equivalent to AB and f square is greater than or equivalent to BC and g square is greater than or equivalent to AC. So h square is greater than AB, f square is greater than BC, g square is greater than or equivalent to AC. This is a condition. Okay, we will be proving in the last this formula also, but for numerical problems we will be using this formula. Delta is equal to ABC plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0 and h square is greater than equal to AB, f square is greater than equal to BC, okay, then g square is greater than equal to AC. This you have to remember. Okay, let us see problems based on this. Right, we will see first problem. Show that the equation 3x square plus 7xy plus 2y square plus 5x plus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0. 3x square plus 7xy plus 2y square plus 5x plus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0 is a pair of lines find point of intersection and angle between lines. So three parts will be there. Solution: compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So I am writing here below to make you understand. Plus 2. This is the equation given. So a is equal to 3, 2h is equal to 7, b is equal to 2, 2g is equal to 5, 2f is equal to 5 and c is equal to 2. What I have done? I have written a, b, c, 2h, 2g and 2f. Okay. So what is the h value? 7 by 2. What is the g value? 5 by 2. And what is the f value? 5 by 2. Right? We got g value, f value, h value. Now condition. What is the condition? Delta ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. So it should be 0. So I am considering LHS. What in by LHS? This formula. A value 3, 2, 2 plus 2 into F value. You have to be careful when you are writing the values. F value, G value, H value. You have to very careful when you are writing the values. F value, G value, H value. F, G, H. Right? Next, minus AF square. Don't simplify anything, sir. 3 into F square. 5 by 2 whole square. Minus BG square. B is what, sir? 2 into G value. 5 by 2 whole square. Minus 2 into 7 by 2 whole square. I am substituting the values. Don't put equal to 0. You have to prove equal to 0. So ABC 2FGH. Any cancellation? One cancellation will be there. Don't cancel anything here, sir, because first you have to square, then cancellation will come. So this will be 12. So 5 5s are 25, 175 by 4 minus 3 into 25 by 4 minus 25 by 4 minus 49 by 4. Don't put equal to 0. Again I am repeatedly telling. Now what is LCM? 4. Don't cancel anything, sir. So this becomes 48 plus 175 minus 75 minus 50 minus 98. What I have done? 4 into 12, 48, 175, 75, 50, 98. So this will be 223 minus 125 plus minus 98 by 4. How much you got? 0. Therefore, pair of lines. What is the answer? You got 0. Now, next step. Point of intersection. I did not give this formula, I am now giving. HF minus BG by AB minus H square, GH minus AF by AB minus H square. This formula is very, very important, sir. Okay, so put the values. What is H value? 7 by 2 into F value 5 by 2 minus BG 2 into G value by AB minus H square 6 minus H square means what, sir? 7 by 2 whole square. Here simplification is very, very important. Next, GH 5 by 2 into H value 7 by 2 minus AF 3 into F value 5 by 2 by same thing will come here 6 minus 7 by 2 whole square. So 35 by 4, 2 will get cancelled, minus 5, 4 comma GH. Don't think same values are coming because of G and H. Minus 15 by 2, 6 minus 49 by 4. Here simplification is very, very important. LCM is 4. 35 minus 20 by 4. Here 4. 24 minus 49. Here also LCM is 4. 35 minus 30 by 24 minus 4. So 4 will get cancelled everywhere. Here 15 by minus 25. Here 15 5 by minus 25. So what will happen? 5 table 3 by 5 with minus sign. 5 table 1 by 5 with minus sign. So what is the point of intersection? Minus 3 by 5 comma minus 1 by 5. Substitution of the values are very, very important. Okay, we have to find angle. Okay. Okay. Angle between the lines A plus B by A minus B whole square plus 4H square. This is the last one. What is A plus B? 3 plus 2 modulus by A minus B 3 minus 2 whole square plus 4 into H square. What is H value? 1 by 2 whole square. So cos theta is equal to 5 by 1 plus 4 into 49 by 4 under root. So 5 by 4 and 4 will get cancelled, 50. Root 50 means 5 by 5 root 2, that is 1 by root 2. So cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2 means theta is equal to 45 degrees. So the values has to be substituted very carefully, sir, to solve this equation. Okay, let us see next problem. Next problem. Here, show that 2x square minus 13xy minus 7y square plus x plus 23y minus 6 is equal to 0 represents pair of lines and say angle between lines. Okay, compare with ax square. I am writing here equation. Okay, a value 2, b value -7, c value -6. I am writing first. Next 2h. What is 2h? -13. 2g is equal to 1. 2f is equal to 23. Observe here, x coefficient is 2g, here x coefficient is 1. That's why 1. Here hy 2h xy coefficient is 2h, here -13. So from this, h is -13 by 2 and g value 1 by 2. What is f value? 23 by 2. Now condition delta ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. So LHS A value 2 into -7 into -6 plus 2 into F value. What is F value? 23 by 2. What is G value? 1 by 2. H value -13 by 2 minus AF square 2 into F value. What is F value? 23 by 2 whole square minus BG square. B value -7. So minus or minus plus. Here minus sign is there, minus sign is there. So that will become plus. G value 1 by 2 whole square minus CH square. C value -6. H value -13. So here minus or minus will become plus 6 into 13 by 2 whole square. Okay, no cancellations, sir. You have to be careful when you are doing. So this becomes 84. Here only 2 will get cancelled. So this becomes minus 39, 3, 26, 299 by 4 minus 2 into this will be 529 by 4. Here 7 into 1 by 4 plus 6 into 169 by 4. So LCM is 4. Don't cancel anywhere any numbers, sir. So 4 into 336 minus 299. This will be minus 1058 because 4 is that LCM, so that will not change. Here also it will be 299. Okay, here plus 7 plus 54 5 36 41 4 10. Okay, so why I have taken LCM 4, this will come. Now first you add these two. So what will happen? It becomes 1357. Why observe here? 14 plus 36 is 50, 50 plus 7, 57. So 10 plus 3, 13. Okay, now you add these two. So this becomes minus 1357. This also if you add by 4. How much you get? 0. So if you substitute the values properly, you get answer. Otherwise you will not get. Okay, next point of intersection. HF minus BG by AB minus H square, GH minus AF by AB minus H square. So what is the P point? H. Substitute the values carefully. 13 by 2 into F value 23 by 2 minus BG, B value -7, so plus 7. G value 1 by 2 by AB minus means minus 14, 2 into -7 minus 14, H square minus of 13 by 2 whole square, comma GH. What is G value? 1 by 2 into H value. What is H value? Minus 13 by 2 minus AF. What is A value? 2 into F value 23 by 2 by whole square. So this will be 4. This is 299 minus plus 7 by 2 by minus 14 minus 169 by 4. Here minus 13 by 4 minus 46 or 23. 2 can be cancelled. by minus 14 minus 169 by 4. Now what will happen? 4 is the LCM. So this becomes minus 299 plus 14 by minus 4 is LCM, minus 56 minus 169. Here 4 is LCM, minus 92 by 4 by here minus 56 minus 169 by 4. Observe here the simplification part is very important. 4 will get cancelled. So this becomes minus 285 by minus 225, and here minus 105 by minus 225. Okay, this is a numerical calculation, you can verify. So minus will get cancelled, minus 15 table will go, sir. 15 ones are 15 nines are 15 15s are. Here 15 will go 7 times, 7 by 15. Okay, so point of intersection is over and we have proved. Next, what do we have to find? Angle. Okay, note down up here. So cos theta formula: a plus b modulus by a minus b whole square plus 4h square under root. Okay, a plus b. So 2 minus 7 modulus by root of a minus b means 2 plus 7 whole square plus 4 into h value minus 13 by 2 whole square. So this becomes minus 5 modulus by 81 plus 4 into 169 by 4 under root. 4 will get cancelled. 5 by 81 plus 169, 5 by root 250, right? So this can be written 5 by 5 root 10. So 5 will get cancelled, 1 by root 10. So cos theta is equal to what, sir? 1 by root 10, or theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by root 10. So what is important? The formula application is very important. Okay, please note down this. One more problem. Same model I am doing. 3 problems are there, all this. Okay, again. X square plus 2xy minus 35y square minus 44x plus 44y minus 12 is equal to 0 is pair of lines and everything. Again compare x square plus 2xy minus 35y square minus 4x plus 44y minus 12 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 35, c is equal to what, sir? Minus 12. And what is it? 2g, x coefficient minus 4, 2f, y coefficient 44, 2h is xy coefficient. Observe here, first x coefficient, y coefficient, xy coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, xy coefficient. So from this, g is minus 2, f is 22, h is 1. Right? We got the values carefully. Now condition is delta ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. LHS. A value 1 into minus 35 into minus 12 plus 2 into F value. F value is what, sir? 22. G value minus 2 into 1. Right? Put the values properly. Minus AF square. A value minus 1. F value 22 square. B minus of minus plus 35 into G. G value is what, sir? Minus 2 square. Minus CH square. C value minus 12. So minus of minus plus 12 and CH value 1 square. Okay. So this becomes 66. 36 420 minus 88, then minus 484, 22 square. This will be 4 into 35, 140. Then this will be plus 12. Okay, 420 plus 140, 560, 572 minus 2, 572. How much we got? 0. Pair of lines. So if your values are right, it will be same, sir. Next point of intersection, HF minus BG by AB minus H square, GH minus AF by AB minus H square. Okay, we have to write the values. What is H value? 1 into F value 22 minus BG, B value minus 35, so plus 35 into G value minus 2 by AB minus 35 minus H square means 1 comma GH, G value minus 2, H value 1 minus AF, A value 1, F value is how much, sir? 22 by AB means minus 35 minus 1. So this becomes 22 minus 70 by minus 36 minus 2 minus 22 by minus 36. So this is minus 38 by minus 36 minus 44 by minus 36. So this will be 19 by 18, 22 by 4 table will go 11 by 9. So we got point of intersection. Okay, here we can find angle. Cos theta is equal to a plus b modulus by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. What is the formula? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So a value is what, sir? A value 1 minus 35 modulus by a minus b. A minus b is 1 plus 35 whole square plus 4 into h value 1, sir, 1 square. So this is modulus is there 34 by 36 whole square plus 4. So 34 by 36 square is 1296 plus 4. So how much we get? 34 by 1300. Okay, leave the answer, sir. Here you have to find the cos theta is equal to 34 by root of 1300. So we have done 3 problems, sir, of same model. Condition, application, then point of intersection, angle. This is very, very important. I will give you one problem. Please try. First one, 2 problems I am given. X square plus xy minus 2y square plus 4x minus y plus 3. Second one. Two x square minus 10xy plus 12y square plus 5x minus 16y minus 3 is equal to 0. Same. Find the shortest pair of lines, point of intersection, angle between them. Try this too, sir. Okay. We'll continue next video.